Emiliana Designs, where I help YouTubers and creatives get spiritually and digitally aligned with their creative side through business graphics, YouTube graphics, and Procreate illustrations. Hey, what's up with Pop? It's your girl, Yana, aka Emiliana Designs, and I wanted to show you guys something that I just got in the mail. God, it took forever to get in the mail. Took for freaking ever. Oh! Anywho, it's by my favorite artist. My favorite artist. I finally got one of her art prints. Oh, I just want to open it on camera. I just want to open it on camera. Alright, y'all. This it. Hold on. Let me show y'all the front. A holographic heart. Y'all know I love holographic. Or y'all should know I love holographic. You know why I like holographic? Because my favorite colors are pink, purple, and blue. And then holographic has like all my colors in one. Love it. Iridescent holographic. Everything. Alright, let's open it. Do y'all see how it's peeking out? Hey. Oh, sniggy. Oh my goodness. Okay, pull it. Pull it. Pull her. Pull her. Look, it's got a note on the back, y'all. It's got another holographic heart. I'm gonna try to keep the sticker, okay? Oh my god. I love Rawsueshii. Look, this stuff just fell on the floor. Don't mess up the heart. Oh my god. It's got peace, love, and God bless on the back. Ooh. Love it.
Rachel.
Y'all can't tell me this art print ain't fire. Look at her. Oh, when she made this art print and put it on her YouTube channel, I was like, okay, baby, that's the one. That's the one. Because y'all know I love a good lilac purple. I love a good lilac purple. The lilac purple and the light pink. Oh, my life. My life. Okay, look, let me show y'all something. See what that mannequin is? The background for the mannequin is light pink, lavender color, clouds. You see my curtain is purple. Y'all know I had to get this art print. For real, for real. So, let me act serious for once. Okay, so, it says thank you. Okay, let me stop screaming. Oh my god, Rawsueshii. Oh my god. Look at this envelope. I just ripped it, but look at it. It's so cute. Oh my. Okay, Rawsueshii. Okay, Rawsueshii. Rawsueshii. Girl, I'm about to open this card like it got money in it. This card ain't got no money in it. Okay. Oh my god. I'm gonna cry. I'm literally gonna cry. Like, oh my god. Oh my god. Like, y'all, I'm not being dramatic. I literally feel like I'm about to cry. Like, stop. Like, just stop. It says, hey, Deanna. It says, thank you for your purchase. Why is my voice going out? Okay. We hope you enjoy your raw merch. Make sure to tag us at Rawsueshii when you have received this. Peace and God bless. Y'all, this is too cute. Okay, I know she makes these for every customer, but just to see my name right there, I'm just like... Y'all, I deadass love Rawsueshii. Like, every time when Rawsueshii videos come out on YouTube or she got a new upload, I'm like, oh my god, Rawsueshii. And then when her like intro comes on, I'm like,
Accept who you are and stand by your own definition of beauty. The infamous promo pic. Live life with intention and execution. It'll make your soul dance. And it has makeup, because you know how makeup, there's like concealer. So it says, don't conceal anything. Get ready for transformation. I love that.